Yamaha Motor Philippines invited us to join their event, Fast Fest, held in Mall of Asia, SM by the Bay. There are motorcycle displays, models, performers, halo-halo, and of course, the new Yamaha Sniper test rides. Hola motoristas, JT here again of Motor, and kasama ko si CIZ. Dito tayo ngayon sa Yamaha Fast Fest dito sa SM by the Bay. Ayan, makita nyo, dito tayo sa tapat ng Lanson Place. So antayin natin yung shuttle, di ko alam, check natin kung saan yun, and then punta na tayo doon. Let's go! Alright, so dito pala tayo, buti na lang aircon. Pasok na tayo. Siyempre, registration muna. Batch 2 tayo, batch 2. Office bump naman dyan, brother. May halo-halo station, no? CIC, syempre mangunguna yan, ha? Pansin nyo ba CIC? Sumeksi lalo. Diba? Yeah. Saan yan? Choose your own ba? Pwedeng lahat na?
Pinalagay ko lahat sa'yo.
Oo, sige, lahat. Oh, may ice cream pala. Tumutulo-tulo pa, nakakaano daw ilalo. Nakakatakam. Siyempre kasama natin si Idol Moto. Papaturo na magmotor, oh. Ano yan? May schedule na agad?
Kasi naman, kuya, nagpapaturo ng motor. Eh, may free test ride ngayon. Sabi ko ngayon na hindi na yung pinapatagal.
That's true.
Ang motor, hindi to pinapatagal. No pressure talo.
Hindi, naghahanap ka ng pressure, di ba?
Oo nga pala. Naghanap pa kasi ng pressure.
Kaya na today.
Kaya na today.
Pa-practice siya, mag-aaral na daw siya ngayon magmotor.
Actually, kakain kasi ako. Dapat. Pero sabi mo, gusto mo tuto. Tara na, lumabas na tayo.
Sacrifice na yung halo-halo.
Sacrifice ko na.
Yung halo-halo.
Yung halo-halo sa init ng panahon, dapat it's a must ngayon. Pero para sa kanya, isa-sacrifice ko lahat. Priority is your passion.
Ano na?
Gabi, it's an honor. Pag ako nagtuto at tinuruan ako ni Idol.
Ano ko pag siya nagturo?
Grabe.
Willy agad.
Naman gano'n.
Congrats pala sa ano.
Hindi naman. Ay, thank you so much, kuya. I'm loving
Bagay
it.
na bagay, oh.
Eh, gusto ko nga i-test ride mo eh. Tapos pakita mo sa akin at masabi mo sa akin
pwede.
kung ano yung... Actually, nasa labas siya. Ngayon na din.
Tinatawag din ako eh. Ngayon na din. Sabay-sabay na. Mamaya na yung halo-halo, mamaya ka na.
Ay, nauna siya.
Yamaha Riding Academy and the Motorsports, yun po yung karera. Okay? So, for the safety gears, this is mandatory naman. We all know na napaka-importante po nito. Meron ba tayong mga safety gears? Okay lang naman yung padded jacket. Kung wala po kayong padded jacket, magpapahiram po kami ng elbow pad. Okay? So, sila sir na mga naka-t-shirt po, we require po or we recommend po na magsuot kayo ng jersey. Meron po tayong one long stretch. Pwede po kayong mag-try ng high speed na kaya nyo. Okay? Ride within your limit po tayo. Okay? One long stretch. Then may corner po sa dulo.
Sabi, ito si Jessa nga pala. Sabi yung sa kanya, chill lang tayo, ha?
Chill lang.
Huwag yung usual na takbo mo, ha?
Oo, mga bente.
Go!
Ready?
Ayan, si IC. Thank you ulit sa pagiging camera woman. Okay, let's go. Pwede na tayo dito. Second batch. Whew, init. Init to. Enjoy. Ilan natin ang Insta 360 natin para naman may konting shot tayo. First yata is the Sniper. So we have 2 bikes. Okay na. Ayun. Ayun. Yamaha Sniper 155 test drive natin. So manual transmission. Hey.
Sir, by sold down yung cover seat.
Okay, thank you.
Sabarin natin yung sir.
Grabe yung torque nito, ah. Pwede na second gear dito, ah.
This is what I'm made of, and you and
So nakapanibago siya. Pero yung power, grabe, ramdam mo agad yung power. Unahin natin tong sniper and then mamaya yung Aerox. Standby lang daw. So ayan. Again, ito ang Sniper 155. Sobrang maangas, no? Sobrang sporty. So yung isa usually ay, okay na pala. Okay, ready na daw. May bago talaga. Ang gaang. Kapaka muna. Pero kaya second gear kahit kurbadang ganito. So sayang din natin no? Di natin ma-maximize yung syempre yung long stretching speed. Yung kurbade masaya kasi very sharp yung mga curves. So matetest mo talaga yung lean angles na kaya mo dito. Very nice. Tsaka grabe yung torque niya, motoristas. Sobra yung torque niya. Yeah! Solid. Oh. So yun, akala ko magkasunod yung sniper tapos Aerox na agad para isang bisan sana. Kaso parang mamaya pa yata yung Aerox. Pero sayan sa yung sobrang grabe yung kurbada. Matetest mo dito yung balanse mo, leaning, pag-atake mo sa kurbada, yun, matatry mo dito. Nakakatawa. Supposedly first lap may marshal, second lap at saka third lap kayo na bahala. Bawal ang overtaking. So expected yung kasi nga dahil low speed kayo, talagang ramdam mo yung engine brake pag bitaw mo ng silinyador, talagang pepreno siya. Yun ang kailangan mong timplahin na tama lang yung atake mo sa kurbada, tama yung speed mo, dapat makontrol mo yun using the clutch and syempre sa silinyador. May masama loob dito. Ano meron? Ano nangyari?
Kasi naka-overtake.
Ganun?
Oo.
Baka bumibigla kang preno, baka bumibigla ka ng preno. Hindi na.
Magalag talaga.
Ako, Jess, sakit kating-kating na overtake. Talagang,
yun o?
Tigilan ko talaga sarili ko, sabi ko, sabi dun sa
Briefing, no?
briefing,
Pero parang siya yung namimina kanina. Parang may namimina kanina. Hindi ba ikaw yan? Ay, ito ba yan? Ito pala. Ito. Turuan eh. Sisiyan pagkatapos eh. Hindi, masaya. Ayan, si IC. Try daw niyang upuan yung Aerox kung abot niya. Kaya upuan lang saglit. Marunong ka ba? Yan, siya niya. Sige niya. Sige, tayo mo. Diretso mo muna ito. Tapos tayo mo. Tayo ka.
Tatayo.
Ayun.
Yung mga tatlong ganyan sila, ma'am, sa kasi ko sa...
Hindi mag-aano nga yun eh. Lalay ah.
Okay.
Yun oh. Abot ba? Abot?
Abot ko, pero nakatiyan.
Ah, pwede, pwede.
Pwede na yun.
Oo. Mas mababa dyan ang NMAX. So, kayang-kaya mo yung NMAX na pala. Yung Aerox di pala sure mangyayari pa kasi marami pa magka-test ride. After this, ano tayo? SM by the Bay. Marami pa rin activities doon. 5 o'clock naman.
A few moments later.
Alright, ito na tayo. Aerox. Ayan, bossing. Next batch. Si Ian nandun na, no? Next naman natin is the Aerox. Alright, ready na tayo. Aerox 155. Let's do this. Iba ang handling ng Aerox. Pagdating sa power, sniper talaga. But for me sa observation ko, pagdating sa mga ganito, mga kurbada, ibang handling ng Aerox. Okay, field trip na tayo. Yay! Pasakay na tayo na shuttle. Yun nga yung malaki oh. Tapos na tayo sa pareho. Field trip! Hello!
Mr.
Kasi niya si Kuya kanina. Akala ko bawal mag-shoot dito. Ito pala yung ina-sticker. Ayun na lang, malayo-layo yung tank ko. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, let's go. This way. Oh, wait. Kasama sa performer. Diyan nalaglag.
Turn over later yan.
Alright, let's go.
Signature speed that only can be provided by Yamaha. Let's start with Sales and Marketing Director, Shinsuke Ida!
Good evening, everybody. Thanks for joining us today on this hot summer day. And we also made sure our event brings the heat here in Pasay. I'm so happy today to introduce our latest version of Sniper 155. So get ready to unlock your speed, enjoy our events. We have some amusement, racing game, Dynamo. The winner will get the ticket to MotoGP Indonesia.
Whoa.
So enjoy that.
Woo.
And always remember, only Yamaha drives your heart.
Yeah! Woo!
Get ready for the new era of speed. This is a Yamaha Fast Fest. Unlock your speed with a new Sniper 155 and a Sniper 155R by Yamaha. Let the Fast Fest begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa kapunta! Dadali ko kayong lahat sa moon par. Let's go. Sa kapunta to the moon road trip. Make some noise for Nick Makino once again. We got a lot. Always big surprises for you guys. All courtesy of Yamaha once again.
You know, altogether, it's not just about fast, but the Sniper 155 is the fastest. It's already proved at the Asia Road Racing Championship.
Oh, yeah. And it's only been, what, race 2?
Exactly. Race 1, we able to bag the third podium finish. But last event in China itself, we played the Philippine National Anthem because GM was able to bag the first place podium. Wow.
That's what it's all about.
That's even the TVC have you seen is the fastest. Yamaha is always aggressive in developing bikes, especially Sniper. And just to give everybody a glimpse of it, you know, 2015, that's where we started doing the evolution for Sniper. From 135 going to 150, we show a new gen of Sniper. Then, of course, 2019, that's we show, of course, about aggressive look of Sniper. And 2021, that's where we show the cutting-edge technology. And this 2024, we feel the excitement of every Filipino to look at this new Sniper 155 and Sniper 155R. The Sniper 155R with Eurico with anti-lock braking system, because you know we want to keep the value of riding the motorcycle, and we want everybody to enjoy, especially Philippine road. In Philippine road, there's always
adjustments,
yes,
right?
There's potholes.
That's right.
There's animal crossing. That's why ABS is good for this motorcycle. That's why we give customer option. If you want to go all out racing, Sniper 155 will be for you. But of course, regular touring, not only touring, we're talking, Rico, we're talking about cornering, we're talking about racing line, that's how every customer go along. And these two beautiful bikes will really give us that feeling and value you're looking for mopeds. For the speedometer, inverted, so even in the daytime, it's good thing to see about it. Assist and slipper clutch, you can see it in here. At the same time, variable valve actuation as well is very much visible as feature, of course, with the Sniper. And I think what everybody's looking forward, of course, if you ride Sniper, you're looking for lightweight, that give you more agility when you go left and right.
Or banking.
Exactly. And same as what we have on our display right now. You can experience that great racing line when you go on the road. But of course, safety is more important, right? When you do racing, we always make sure we do it on a racetrack. We have three great colors, a great combination of colors. We have here the race blue. Of course, race blue, it's Yamaha DNA, it's our color, and it's relating to all of our R-Series line from the R15M, R3, R7, R1. That's why we keep up this kind of color to get, of course, that racy, sporty kind of aggressive design as well. That's why it's race blue.
So you can see on our left side, there are different bikes here. It's a race blue. It's a community that we got. And how about the green one?
Wow, even us, we're very much surprised with this color. We call this cyan. The cyan color emphasizing much more on the futuristic and of course energetic value of our brand as Yamaha. And it's something to keep up, of course, keeping up our aggressive design when it comes to color as well. So the customer have option to look at as well.
Oh, nice. So you have the race blue, and then of course you have the cyan. How about the black? Tell me about this. It's like a matte black, man.
We never go wrong with black, right?
Black don't crack.
Exactly. And this black color is more emphasizing more on the masculine side of look. And of course, as for us, when we try to ride motorcycle, fashion is always important. So with black, you can never go wrong. Easy to fit in whatever you're wearing with your clothes, and of course, fashion, and of course, easy way you can resonate yourself with the motorcycle. So black is one way to go when you have to keeping that kind of masculinity when it comes to riding the Sniper 155 or Sniper 155R.
How much is the price? Thank you, Tony.
The price for the new Sniper 155 will be 125,900. Okay. Is it there already? Yep. And then for our Sniper 155R, we will have it at 145,900. So again,
Joining them is our very own Yamaha Philippine Racing Team, the Wonder Boy, McKinley Cow Pass, Rocket Boy, April King Mascardo, and the Flash, Giancarlo Mauricio. They are ready to unlock the speed. Let's take a look at our screens and ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. The Sniper 155. As they are over there at Block B at the 16, we are watching them. Sino ba ang namumuna? Oh, they're fast. They got the corners, they got our marshals, they're joining here. 2 laps as they are riding the all-new 155 fuel-injected engine. Liquid cooled, 4.6 air cleaner box, 6-speed transmission, variable valve actuation that gives them a smooth riding in the turns at low speed, assist and slipper clutch. The Rocket Boy, McKinley Cow Pass, the Rocket Boy, April King Mascardo. What's up? What's up? All right, fellas.
May power din, at saka yung last karera namin, na-dominate namin, and tutulungan kami ng mga teammate ko para makuha yung yung 1, 2, 3. Kaya sa Sniper, wala akong masasabi. Sobrang smooth yung power ng gamitin.
Talagang hindi lang pong corner, may power pa. Oh, bagong slogan ng Sniper yun, ha? Oh, now this time around for Kyle, of course, 2019 overall champion ka sa UB150 sa ARC. Gamit ang Yamaha Sniper. Lumipat ka sa category since then, pero kamusta naman yung experience mo na ginagamit mo muli yung Sniper sa Moto IR Championship? At syempre, naka-podium ka doon, di ba?
Bale, simula po 2017, Yamaha Sniper na po ginagamit ko. Kumbaga, lahat ng Yamaha Sniper, simula B1 hanggang dito sa B3, lahat nagkaroon ako ng ganun Sniper. Kaya mapakarera, mapa sa pang-araw-araw yung po gamit ko. Nung huling karera namin sa Moto IR, nalak namin ng 1, 2, 3, kaming tatlo. Doon, kita na agad kung gaano kada-best yung Sniper.
What do you think of the all-new Sniper 155 ngayon and the 155R and the colors? Kung mamimili kayo ng kulay ngayon na, ano yung pipiliin nyo at bakit?
Sa bagong Sniper na yun, parang ang elegant yung mga designs niya. Lalo po yung cyan blue, talagang ang attractive ng color niya. Parang first time ata ng Yamaha maglabas ng gantong kulay sa Sniper. Base blue and matte, parang simple but rock. Kumbaga, pang-Brusco datingan niya.
Para sa akin po, gusto ko po yung...
Si Sayang din.
Yung bagong kulay.
Eh, isa lang yun nandyan. Tatlo kayo mamimili.
Angkasan po kami tatlo. Pagkagamit niya sa karsada to, talagang titingnan ka ng tao.
Sa akin naman po is yung blue. Kasi yun na yung, ano natin, na yung color of blue is fast. Kaya dito ako sa blue pa rin na. Tapos saka itong bago. Di din papahuli kasi yung bagong kulay, tsaka yung Vegas, tsaka yung forma. Tikas.
Yes, of course. This is the fastest Sniper ever, ladies and gentlemen.
Gagawin ko po yung best ko para sa race namin sa Japan. At sana makakuha kami ng magandang resulta at makakit po tayo sa podium ulit. Yun lang po.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a round of applause as they prepare for round number 3. Palabakan natin.
Good luck, Lodi. Good luck sa kamera. Good luck. Good luck, Ayla. Good luck, Ay. Congratulations. Yeah. Good luck ulit. Good luck. Galingan nyo ulit. Galingan lalo. Yeah.
And we're ready to get down. Yes, we the best. We will get that. And we will see more champions.
Alright. Congratulations again, Yamaha Motor Philippines, for a very successful event. Yamaha Fast Fest. So, ang ganda, no, sa mga gustong bumili ng Sniper dyan. This is the time. Hello, CIC, kumusta?
Nag-enjoy masaya ako. Super thank you for having us.
Thank you ulit sa pagtulog sa akin sa pag-cover, no? Sinama na kita. Thank you again, this is JT and
CIC
of Motor, and